Hey everyone, it's Travis here at Four Seasons RV. Today we are looking at the Valor by Alliance RV. This one specifically is the floor plan, the 44 V14. This is the 2025 model. On the exterior of this toy hauler, you're going to have dual 30-gallon fuel tank systems with that fuel station on the back, an air compressor on the other side here. You got JBL audio speakers on the outside and the inside, as well as your 6-point hydraulic leveling jacks. It is an auto leveling system and a few other things. The big thing that I want to mention is the water manifold system that they do have in the utility center. We'll show you a picture here, but it is super easy to figure out where all the water is going, as well as if something is going wrong. It's a super easy way to turn off water to each individual water fixture so that you can fix that rather than turning off the water to the whole camper. Next thing we're going to do is take a look inside. All right, we are here in the kitchen right inside the door. So first thing you're going to notice is this nice large stainless steel farmhouse style sink, as well as your residential size appliances, your residential oven, 4-burner stove and microwave, as well as your nice big 12-volt fridge here. Right next to the fridge, we do have a awesome pantry space with a lot of good storage and that motion activated lighting. This is a fantastic floor plan, guys. For toy haulers, gives you a nice big living room space. There is a lot of seating in here with this huge L-shaped sectional across from your nice big TV there. You also are going to have your dinette here. Does come with another 2 chairs that we have in the garage and plenty of storage space in here. Next, we're going to take a look at the garage. As we're coming into the garage, we do have the Happy Jack system set all the way up, so you can kind of take a look at it. You got the queen size bed, your 2 couches that turn into another queen size bed, and of course you're going to have that ability to put those couches down on the side if you need a little bit more headroom for your toys. Additionally, you're going to have your 3-season patio door here with that nice Moride railing that goes around when you're using that as a deck space. Additionally, in this floor plan, you're going to have a nice little half bath here underneath your lofted bunk bed. And the standard for the Valor toy haulers is going to be that L-track system, so that you can put your D-rings anywhere you want here. Next thing we're going to do is go take a look in the bedroom. All right, so we are here up in the main bathroom, guys. As you can see, this is a humongous shower space with your tri-sliding glass doors. Additionally, you're going to have your toilet that is porcelain with that soft close hinge and lid, and lots of cabinet space here above your sink. Moving into the bedroom, you are going to have a nice big king size bed. This is a residential king size bed. It is not an RV short king, so that is a fantastic feature. Additionally, you're going to see the Coleman Mach Quiet Series ACs in these. You're going to have 3 individually controlled ACs, 1 in here, 1 in the main living area, and then 1 in the garage. So a great way to keep the camper cool in the summer. Additionally, you're going to have your dresser here at the foot of the bed with your shoe storage underneath the dresser, and then of course your nice big closet space with closet space on both sides as well. We think this is a fantastic floor plan, guys. I know you will too. So don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below, and come see us down at Four Seasons RV.